Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to increase collagen level. We'll explore practical, step-by-step methods to naturally boost your body's collagen production. Discover how simple dietary adjustments, targeted supplements, and healthy lifestyle choices can significantly improve your skin's firmness, support joint function, and strengthen your hair. Get ready to learn effective strategies for maintaining youthful vitality and overall well-being. Your diet plays a crucial role in collagen production. Ensure you're consuming plenty of vitamin C, found in oranges and strawberries, as it's essential for collagen formation. Also, incorporate high-quality proteins like chicken, fish, and eggs, which supply the necessary amino acids. Don't forget minerals like zinc and copper, present in nuts and shellfish, vital for enzymatic processes. Beyond diet, supplements can offer a direct boost. Collagen peptides or hydrolyzed collagen are easily absorbed and utilized by the body. Lifestyle choices are equally important. Protect your skin from harmful UV rays, which degrade collagen. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep nightly and practice stress reduction techniques, as these support your body's natural repair mechanisms. To maintain optimal collagen levels long-term, consistency is key. Continue with your nutrient-dense diet and healthy lifestyle practices. Remember to drink at least 8 glasses of water each day to keep your skin plump and hydrated. For tailored guidance, especially if you have specific health concerns, always consult with a healthcare professional to ensure the best approach for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.